everyone, my name's Gabby, and today I'm showing you how to easily reset the service interval on your Kia Hyundai vehicle. Let's go. First things first, you're going to make sure your vehicle is either on or in accessory mode, and then we'll use our home screen to slide on over and select setup. Alternatively, and of course depending on what vehicle you're in, you may actually have another button, either physical or a touchscreen, to select setup. Once we've selected setup, however, we'll enter another frame of menus where we'll choose vehicle. Under vehicle, we will then click convenience, and then in convenience, we will finally find the service interval. Clicking on this will allow you to enable the service interval or disable it, and then you'll set your corresponding distance and duration. Here in Canada, we're technically considered an extreme climate, so because we have freezing cold temperatures and we do use salt on our roads, for the most part, we are based in Ontario, that is, we are labeled as extreme or severe. Now, that means our recommended maintenance, and of course this can vary by specific vehicles, is usually around 8,000 kilometers or every 6 months. Of course, you can refer to your vehicle's guidebook or manual to find out what the preferred maintenance schedule is for your exact vehicle. And of course, if you're in other countries, this may vary. But it's really that simple, and I'll even show you guys another shortcut. Heading back to our main display, we will go on into our search menu. Now, some cars will have a separate search button along the bottom. Again, whether it's a physical button or a touchscreen, really depends on your model. And then you can type in what it is you're looking for. Let's type in service, for example. Because the vehicle I'm in right now has navigation, it'll show me some nav points of interest first, but if I scroll down a little bit, sorry, don't mind the exposure on the video, we can then go ahead and find all keywords that use service and click on what we're looking for. So service interval, and it jumps us right to that menu. Now, if this video was helpful, you guys, leave a thumbs up or a comment, and we hope to see you again on a future Kia Hyundai channel video. Bye-bye.